वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह आज ਅਸੀਂ ਕੜਾਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲੱਗੇ। So the ingredients you'll be needing are sugar, 2 cups water, 1 cup atta and butter. So now let's get started. So now we're going to add our butter into it and we're just going to let it melt, and then once it's melted we'll add our next ingredient. Okay, hold on a minute. Now we're going to put the atta. And we're just going to mix it up. So once you start smelling it coming to your nose, you can start smelling that something's been cooked. Then you can add your other ingredients. But first, let's just continue stirring it. Okay, so now it's been like 5 to 7 minutes and the Kadai Prasad, it's all like bubbly and it's mixed together. So now we're gonna add our sugar. And water. The other one too? And now we're just going to continue mixing it. Okay, so it's been a while and it's gotten thicker, way thicker actually than before. And we're just gonna keep stirring it so it gets a very thick consistency. So yeah, so it's supposed to separate off the pan when it's done. Okay, so it looks like it's starting to get off the pan, and you can see that it looks like Kadai Prasad. So now we're just gonna continue mixing it still though. Okay, so it looks like it's done. So we're gonna take it out now. Okay, now we're gonna go do Nam Simran and do Ardas. Vaiguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaiguru Ji ki Fateh. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!